Add 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, and 1 cup of warm milk. 2 cups sugar, 1 cup of wheat flour, 1½ cups of cornmeal. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, place in a greased and floured pan and bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Now let's make the guava paste topping, which is simply heating 1 cup of chopped guava paste with half a cup of water. You can also make a creamy homemade topping I've already shown on the channel. Take the cake out of the oven, let it cool briefly, remove it from the pan and add the topping.